diamond in the sky, shining softly through the night, guiding travelers with your light, glowing gently from afar. How I wonder what you are, when the blazing sun is gone, when nothing shines upon. Then you show your tiny spark, twinkling bright against the dark. Sailors on the ocean deep see you while the world's asleep, helping ships to find their way through the night until the day. Children watch you from the ground, stars like jewels all around. Dreams take flight and travel far, guided by each twinkling star. Shimmer bright in colors rare, magic sparkles fill the air. Every twinkle tells a tale of the night that will not fail. Planets dance and comets fly, shining wonders in the sky. Every star, both near and far, glows with love for who we are. Through the clouds your beams still shine, tiny lanterns all divine. Whispers float from star to star, dreamers wonder what you are. Galaxies of endless light, painting dreams across the night. Every sparkle near and far answers wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, now I know just what you are. Shining hope for all to see, bright forever guiding me. Guiding me. Looking here, baker wakes up with the sun, mixes dough, it's so much fun. Bread and cakes and cookies too, yummy treats for me and you. Jobs are fun, come take a look, not all work is in a book. Big or small, they help each day, smiling bright in every way. Painter with the brush so wide, colors houses side by side. Red and yellow, blue and green, makes the world a brighter scene. Chef in the kitchen, pots go clang, chopping veggies with a bang. Cooking soup and spicy rice, oh that smell, it smells so nice. Firefighters loud and bold, fights the fire brave and cold. Slides down poles and rides red trucks, helps out fast when someone's stuck. Carpenter with wood and nail, builds a chair or sturdy rail. Tables, doors, and shelves so neat, with hammer rhythm and steady beat. Jobs are fun, come take a look, not all work is in a book. Big or small, they help each day, smiling bright in every way. So many jobs from A to Z, who do you dream to one day be? Work with heart and do your part, every job is full of art. Kangaroos hopping near a tree, one took a tumble and scraped his knee. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kangaroos hopping that way. 9 little kangaroos hopping in the sun, one hit a rock and hurt his bum. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kangaroos jumping today. 8 little kangaroos bouncing with glee, one slipped down and skinned his knee. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kangaroos jumping near the tree. 7 little kangaroos racing down the hill, one rolled over and sat too still. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kangaroos jumping for thrill. 6 little kangaroos leaping with a cheer, one bumped heads and shed a tear. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kangaroos hopping near air. 5 little kangaroos jumping around, one lost balance and hit the ground. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kangaroos bouncing down. 4 little kangaroos dancing in a line, one slipped off and bruised his spine. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kangaroos, not this time. 3 little kangaroos bouncing with grace, one spun too fast and lost his place. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kangaroos in this race. kangaroos bouncing with might. One fell hard and gave a fright. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kangaroos in sight. One little kangaroo jumping near a tree, he flipped and cried out, woe is me! Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kangaroos, not today! 9 little frogs with toes so green. One jumped in with a happy scream into the pond with a great big grin, leaving behind just 8 within. 8 little frogs sang a tune. One leaped off with a froggy swoon, splashing low and diving deep. 7 more frogs still to leap. 7 little frogs on a sunny log. One jumped in with a ribbit jog into the cool blue splashy stream. 6 frogs left to chase their dream. 6 little frogs playing with a bee. One jumped off so happily. Buzz and hop, what fun they had. 5 frogs now and none were sad. 5 little frogs bouncing on the ground. One took a leap with a joyful sound into the water with a flip so fine. Now we're down to only 4 in line. 4 little frogs in the summer sun. One leaped in, joining the fun with a ribbon and a mighty splash. 3 more frogs in a flash. 3 little frogs said, let's jump too. One dove in like a rocket, woo, into the water cool and clean. Now just 2 frogs can be seen. 2 little frogs on a lily leaf. One jumped in beyond belief, down to one still smiling bright. He'll be gone before the night. One little frog looked all around, said, this pond's the best I've found. He leaped in with a joyful cheer. Now all the frogs have disappeared. Our cock's all day so bright, flaps its wings and takes a flight. Colors shine green, red and blue. Jollypop sings along with you. Quack a smile so big and round, hopping gently on the ground. Cute and cuddly, full of cheer. Jollypop brings quackers near. Raccoon sneaks with curious eyes under stars and moonlit skies. With tiny hands and clever fun, Jollypop says, let's run, run, run. Slithering softly on the floor, snake goes hiss and wiggles more. Striped and smiling all the way, Jollypop joins in to play. T is for tiger. Tiger tiptoes through the trees with orange stripes and jungle breeze. Strong and brave, it gives a shout. Jollypop roars and jumps about. The wheels on the bus go spin, 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 spin. The wheels on the bus go spin, 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 all around the town.
The lights on the bus go blink, 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 blink. The lights on the bus go blink, 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 shining through the town. The engine on the bus goes vroom, 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 vroom. The engine on the bus goes vroom, 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 rolling through the town.
The kids on the bus go laugh, 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 laugh. The kids on the bus go laugh, 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 all through the ride.
The doors on the bus go open and close, open and close, open and close. The doors on the bus go open and close, welcoming everyone in.
The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all around the town. The baby on the bus goes wah, 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 wah. The baby on the bus goes wah, 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 all
through the ride. The mommy on the bus goes shh, 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 shh. The mommy on the bus goes shh, 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 all through the town. The driver on the bus says, let's go now, let's go now, let's go now. The driver on the bus says, let's go now, and off we roll again.
Hello, Mr. Moon, you're glowing bright, guiding dreams through the quiet night. Floating gently up so high, shining stars drift through the sky. Good morning, sun, with golden glow. You wake us up and help us grow. Shining tall, so warm and bright, you bring us joy from morning light. Twinkle stars, so small, so high, dancing softly in the sky. Sparkling bright, they laugh and play, lighting dreams until the day. Mercury is fast and near, zooming close to the sun so clear. A tiny ball that spins so quick, racing round with every tick. Venus shines with beauty bright, hot and glowing through the night. Clouds of gas and golden glow, spinning steady, fast, not slow.
Earth is home for you and me. Mountains, ocean, sky and sea, trees and animals all around. Blue and green, so safe and sound.
Mars is red with dusty sand, mountains tall and marsh and land. Maybe robots roll and go, exploring secrets down below. Giant Jupiter is giant round, with stripes of clouds that swirl around. A storm that rages with a roar, bigger than you've seen before. Saturn's rings are wide and grand, made of ice and rock and sand, dancing round in pretty lines like hoops that twirl and sparkle fine. Distant planets, Uranus spins and tips its face. Neptune storms in outer space, far from sun they spin and shine, part of our big cosmic line.
1, 2, 3, 4, swirl and dive. 5 to 8, oh so alive. In the sea so blue and wide, she giggles as the fish swim by her side. Whale sings deep with a booming cheer, her baby calf is always near. They twirl and splash with tails so bright, dancing in the morning light. Water sprays and bubbles gleam in the ocean like a dream. Octopus hides in coral red, then peeks out her bouncy head. Seahorses twirl and starfish gleam, playing tag inside a dream. She spins around in ocean fun, underneath the shining sun. A whale and a baby race so fast, zooming by then floating past. Up they leap and splash with joy, ocean's waves are their favorite toy. Echoes sing beneath the tide, with fish and dolphins by their side. Octopus finds a treasure chest full of shells and seaweed best. She juggles pearls with arms so neat, dancing with her squishy feet. Laughter echoes through the sea, as playful as a kid can be. Whale blows bubbles to the sky, rainbow shimmer way up high. Little fish all clap and cheer, the happiest show of the year. With a splash and twist so bold, they sparkle like the stars of gold. Octopus row in a lullaby tune, through a reef on a winding track. Clownfish cheer and crabs all wave, what an adventure in the wave. She flips and flies.